Warm welcome to all of you. Today in the Wazwan series, I'm going to show you how Roganjosh is made in Wazwan. When one thinks of Wazwan, Roganjosh is the first thing to come to mind. It's a staple of Kashmiri cuisine and one of the main dishes of Kashmiri multi-course meal Wazwan. It's a famous meat curry of Kashmir. This video has been made with the help of Kashmiri local chefs or wazas. Wazwan is a slow cooked on simmering flames of wood. Wazwan is an art in itself. So let's get started. First thing is all the meat is boiled for some time and they remove the scum from this. By all the meat I mean they have taken almost all the meat for all the varieties that they are going to make, because for Wazwan big vessels are used to cook. So here you can see it's on flame. They will let it boil for some time and remove the scum from it, and then they will take it off the flame and let it cool down. Then they segregate the meat into different vessels for cooking. In Wazwan all the varieties need particular type of cut from particular type of body part of a lamb. This is the meat that has been taken for making Roganjosh. Here you can see. Meanwhile the mutton stock was also cool, so they will strain it. They will strain all the mutton stock and then they can use it in all the dishes later. Before moving to recipe, I'll show you how the Kashmiri chefs or wazas make oil and chili mix that they use later for color and flavor. So in almost 1 liter of oil, they will add ginger garlic paste. So here you can see it's on the flame. They will fry it properly. Then they will take it off the flame and then they will add chilies. So for almost 1 liter of oil they have added 250 grams of chilies, and then they will add almost a glass of water and then they will put it back on the flame. So here you can see the color, how strikingly red color it has. This will give the color to all the gravies. And then they add cloves, cinnamon stick and green cardamoms and let it cook for some time. So here you can see how gorgeous red color it has. So they will cook it for some time and then keep it off the flame. And it will be used in all the gravies except milk based. Now in the Roganjosh meat they are adding fennel seed powder, 5 to 6 green cardamoms, a few cloves, cinnamon stick, and they will be adding chili mix water. They have mixed chilies with water and they will add a big spoon of it. And then they will be adding mutton stock. They will add a good amount of mutton stock, but it has to cook in it, and then it will be kept on the flame. Now they are adding oil and it's on the flame, and now it has been boiling, so they will add turmeric powder to it. Here you can see, and they will keep it on the flame. This is a paste of Kashmiri shallots or prawn. First they are fried and then blended to a paste, and now a big spoon of this shallot paste will be added to Roganjosh also. Here you can see it's boiling. Now it will be kept on the flame till the meat is tender and the gravy is absorbed. Wazwan is cooked in copper vessels or simmering fire of wood. So here you can see it has been cooking. Now it's almost done. Amount of saffron and soaked in lukewarm water, and they will add this water to oil and chili mixture. Here you can see, and then they will be using it on all dish, sprinkle on all dish. It will give a good color and flavor to all the dish. Now the Roganjosh was done, and here you can see they are pouring a big spoon of this oil and chili mixture on Roganjosh. It will give it a good color. They pour it before serving. So here the Roganjosh is ready. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.